Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss with the topic decimal. In this decimal, we shall discuss about place value, expanded notation, comparison of decimals, like and unlike decimals, conversion of decimals. Firstly, let us observe what is here. So observe it very carefully. On one side we have written 0.1. This is decimal number. And on the other side I have written as fraction is equal to 1 upon 10. Decimal at one place from the right hand side. So it is 10th part, so it can be called 1/10. In the next one, 0.01. From the right hand side, decimal at two places, 10 and 100. So we can say it 1 upon 100. Next is 0.001. is equal to 1 upon 1000. In this way, we have observed that decimals and fractions go hand to hand, go side by side. Decimal can be changed as fraction and fraction can be changed as decimal. So let us start discussing more about this. Convert decimal number into fraction. How we shall do it? There is a fraction. There is a number 0.49. From the right hand side, there are two decimal points. That is 10th and 100. Remember that for the decimal points, we do not start with 1. We start with 10th and 100 and then 1000. You can see that in the figure, in the drawing given next to this. What is that? 100. 49 upon 100 is the fraction is given in the drawing also. Next is 0.5. 0.5 is at 10th place, or after that we can put one more 0 also, because for the decimal points, if we add the 0 at the end, that does not mean anything. So here it is 50 upon 100, or if we write 5 upon 10 is also right. Now next is 0.99. From the right hand side, it is of 2 points, decimal at two places, that is 10th and 100th. So we shall write 99 upon 100. Next is 0.03. From the right hand side, decimal points are 2, that is 10th and 100. So we shall write 3 upon 100. As you can observe here, there are two decimal points, so we are adding 2 zeros. If there is one decimal point, then we shall add 1 zero. This is a trick. And if there is decimal at 3 points, then we shall add 3 zeros to make the fraction. In this way, we can convert decimal points into fraction. Now let us practice more examples like 0.01, point at two places, so we shall add 2 zeros, that is 1 upon 100. 0.25, decimal points, how many are there? There are 2 decimal points, so we shall add 2 zeros while writing it into fraction. so it will be 25 upon 100. Next is 0.88. Again 2 decimal points. We shall add 2 zeros with 1. So the answer will be 88 upon 100. 2 decimal points, 2 zeros, 1 decimal point, 1 zero, 3 decimal points, 3 zeros. Keep this in mind. Now the question comes, convert fractions into decimals. Now this is reverse. Earlier we have done decimal to fraction. Now fraction to decimal. 1 is 47 upon 10. You can see here there is 1 0. 10. So we shall put the decimal also after the 10th place, that will be 7. After 7, from the right hand side we shall put decimal, then the answer will be 4 decimal 7. We can make a trick also, 1 0, 1 decimal point, 2 zeros, 2 decimal points and 3 zeros, 3 decimal points. In this way we can move on. So in the next one, 156 upon 100. So 2 zeros are there, we shall move to 2 decimal points from the right hand side. Make it a point from the right hand side. We shall put the point before 5, between 1 and 5. So it will be 1 decimal 5 6. And after the decimal point we read the digits single, okay, like 5 and 6. We don't read it 56. Is that clear? Keep in mind that we read the digits single one, okay, 5 and 6, okay, or we can say 5 tens and 6 hundreds. 1 decimal 5 6. Next is 2516 upon 100. 2 zeros means 2 decimal points. So from the right hand side, the decimal will come between 5 and 1. So the answer will be 25 decimal 16. Remember, 25 decimal 16. Now here is an example. Convert 0.37 into a fraction. This decimal has 2 decimal places. Okay, so the numerator is the decimal number, which is 37. The denominator is a 1 followed by 2 zeros because there are 2 decimal places. So what it will be? This will give us 0.37 is equal to 37 upon 100 because decimal places had 2. Okay, so there will be 2 zeros. In other way we can say 10th place and 100th place. 3 is at 10th place and 7 is at 100th place. So this is 37 upon 100. Now here in this example we see that convert 0.416 into a fraction. So decimal places, how many are there? There are 3 decimal places. So what we shall do in the denominator, we shall write 1 and we'll put 3 zeros. We shall put 3 zeros. So the answer will be 416 upon 1000. Next point to discuss here is place value system in decimals. You must be hearing this, that I was saying 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places and 3 zeros. After the decimal there is 10th place, 100th place and 1000th place. After decimal we do not count once. Okay, this should be very clear to you. Keep in mind, after decimal there is no ones place, that is tenths. We add THS, tenth, 100, 1000 and 10,000. As you see in this figure, that decimal place is in the between, and before that is whole number, that is 6945, that we have studied earlier also. And next side is, right hand side is decimal fractions, that we shall start with 3 at 10th place, 7 at 100th place, 2 at 1000th place and 8 at 10,000th place. Each place is 10 times larger than the place to its right. Now let us observe here the place value chart of the digit 25.386. What is that? 25 is 2 tenths and 5 ones. Mid is decimal point, and then after we shall start with tens place, 3 tenths, 800 and 6000. Before decimal point, 10 multiply bigger. Okay, and after decimal point, 10 multiply smaller. Okay. Let us practice one more example, that is 1354 decimal 2343. Ones is 4, tens is 5, 100 is 3 and 1 is 1000 before decimal point. Okay, we shall divide it into two ways. One is before decimal, one is after decimal. And what is after decimal? We shall start with tens place, 2 at tens place, 3 at 100th place, 4 at 1000th place and 3 at 10,000th place. We can write that in fraction also, like 2 upon 10, 3 upon 100, 4 upon 1000 and 3 upon 10,000. Fine. Now the next thing we need to discuss about the fraction is, we were reading the fraction before the decimal, we were reading as 1354, but after decimal we were reading all the digits individually, separately 2, 3, 4, 3, like this. Same as, let us read here. Example 1 is, write 3.074 in words. So how we shall write? We have read it, and same we shall write in answer, 3.074. Another example is, write 20 decimal 134 in words. Same we shall write 3.134. In this way, after decimal we shall read all the digits individually. Now next topic in place value system is, write in expanded form. How we shall write in expanded form, or how we shall write it in compact form. So let us see here how we shall write. Example here is 74 plus 2 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100. So how we shall write? 74 is whole number, so we shall write 74. 2 tenths we shall put the decimal, then 2 at 10th place and 5 at 100th place, so we shall get the figure in compact form is 74.25. Same as another example, 5 is the whole number, 1 upon 10, 2 upon 100, 6 upon 1000. So same as we shall do, 5 whole number, 1 at 10th place, 2 at 100th place and 6 at 1000th place. Make it a point, if there is no 100th place, we shall put 0 for that. If there is no 10th place, we shall put 0 for that too. Fine. We can experience with the same with the help of activity or with the help of table also. Here we have written all the things about place value, fraction and decimal. So let us see here. 1/10. How we shall write? 1 upon 10 in fraction, and in decimal number we shall write 0.1. You know that 10 will be converted to 1 decimal point. Next is 1 upon 100. 100, 1 upon 100 is fraction and 0.01 is your decimal number. I hope you are able to understand. Next is 2 to 10. 2 is whole number. So after 2 we shall put the point. 2 tenths means 2. 8 tenths. In fraction we shall write 8 upon 10 and in decimal we shall write 0.8. 1900. 1900 we shall write 0.19. And then is 5 and 1100. 5 decimal 1 1. In this way you have experienced that if there is 1 0 as the denominator, we shall move to 1 decimal point and remove that denominator from this. Okay, it will be converted into decimal fraction only. Or if we have to convert decimal fraction into the fraction, same as will be done. 1 decimal point, then 1 0 as the denominator. 2 decimal point, 2 zeros at the denominator. Fine. I hope you are getting it. The next point about the decimal system is like and unlike decimals. There may be decimals at the like places, means decimal. All the digits have decimal at two places. But some may be at 3 places, that is unlike decimals. Let us see here. 2 or more decimals are said to be the like decimals if the number of the digits in their decimal part is same. After decimal there are 2 digits in all the digits and 3 digits in all the numbers given, etc. And in the next block you can see there 0.7, 4.39, 54.014 and 2.2113. What is all that? 2 or more decimals are said to be unlike decimals. You can observe here there is 1 decimal point in 0.7, 2 decimal points at 4.39 and 3 decimal points at 54.014. If the number of digits in their decimal parts is different, you have experienced this. So if the decimal part digits are same, that is like fraction. If the decimal part digits are not same, means different, that is unlike fraction. You must be needing this to compare the fractions. Okay. Let us see the examples. 2 decimal 4, 5 decimal 6, 3 decimal 2. The underlined portion you can see that after decimal there is 1 point, that is 0.4, 0.6, 0.2. 1 decimal point. So we can say these are like decimals. And in the next row you can see 2.45, 6.56, 3.73. Decimal at 2 places, so these are also like decimals. Now what do you observe here? Digit is 1 decimal 7, 2 decimal 35 and next is 6 decimal 135. One is 1 decimal point, another is 2 decimal point and third one is 3 decimal point. All are different. So we can call it unlike decimals. But if we have got unlike decimals, how we shall make them like decimals? At the end we shall put zeros for that. Like there is the highest decimal point is 3. So 1.7, after that we shall put 2 zeros to make it 3 after decimal. Done? Now 2.35, to make it 3 digits after decimal point we shall put 1 0 at the end. Last में लगाना है, not in between. Okay. So decimal 2 decimal 350 and 6.135 will remain same. In this way, we have the like decimals at 3 places. Now these are changed to like fractions, like decimals. You may be asked this question, convert this unlike fraction, unlike decimal to like decimal. So what we shall do? We shall put zeros at the end of the digit. Fine. For any decimal, writing zeros after the last digit to the right of the decimal point does not change the value of the number. Suppose 8.5 we have written. If we add 0 at the end, means we write 8.50 or we write 8.500 and so on. This will not change the value of the number. When a whole number is written as a decimal, the decimal point is placed to the right of the ones digit, that is 15. How we shall write? 15.0, 15.00 and so on to make it like decimal number. Clear? Now let us compare the digits here. Example A is 1.8, 31.629, 17.26 and 5.01. Maximum number of digits in decimal part is 3. That is 31.629. Observe it very carefully. So what we have to do it? We have to make it like decimals. For like decimals, we shall add zeros at the end, at the last one. So it will be 1.8 will be changed to 1.800. 3 decimal points are there. And then 31.629 will remain same. 17.26, then 0 at the end. And then 5.010. In this way, all the digits, all the numbers have 3 decimal places. Fine. Same as in another one also. 85.785, 201.3, 9.1, 16.65. Maximum number of digits in decimal part is 3. So the like decimals are, check it with me, 85.785. 3 decimal points, this will remain same. Next is 201.3. There is 1 decimal place, so we shall add 2 zeros to make it 3 at decimal places. So we shall write 2 zeros. The number will be 201.300. Next is 9.1. Again we shall make it with 3. So we shall write 9.100. Next is 16.65. Yes, for this we need to add one more 0. So the digit will be 16.650. Fine. We have to compare the decimal number. Order the decimals from least to greatest. If they are unlike decimals, we have to make it like decimal first to compare. There are digits 16.67, 16.6, 16.07. These are unlike fractions, unlike decimals. So 16.67, compare two of the numbers at a time. दोनों को compare कीजिए. Then after 16.67, 16, 16, 16 means integer is same. So we have to see only the decimal point. Decimal points, one is having 67, another is 6 and another is 0, 7. So let us start with the 10th place. What is the 10th place? 6. 6 and 6. So which is greater? 6 are greater and 0, 7 is smaller one. So the least number is 16.07. Next number will be, we have to convert it into like fraction also. So one is 0.67 and another is 0.60. Which is the least number? Decimal 60 and then after 16.67. In this way, start at the left and compare to the digits. Now look at the first place where the digits are different, that is 16.07, then 16.60, then after 16.67 is the correct answer. Now let us do the worksheet for practice. It is written in expanded form. We have to make it in compact form. Remember that after decimal you will start with tens place, hundreds place, then thousands place. Fine? I hope you are able to do this worksheet very easily. That's all for today. Thank you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share